For today's Google Classroom, we're going to be looking at place value. There's a question at the top of each screen that says, what is the place value of the underlined number? Underlined means that there's a line under one of the place values. If I look at my number, I see that this number is 77. And there's a line under one of the place values. I have to figure out if that place value is the ones place value, the tens place value, or the hundreds place value. And I know that I go from right to left when I do my place values. So the last number I see is my ones, and then going over this way would be my tens. So this digit is actually in the tens place. You're going to take your pumpkin and you're going to drag him to the one that says tens place. And just put it right over top of the word. And then you can go over to your scroll bar over here and find your second screen. This one is the same thing. What is the place value of the underlined number? We have 240 as our number, and then I have an underline under the number 4. I have to figure out what place value that's in. Starting from the last number I see, I can go ones, tens, hundreds, and I know my 4 was in my tens place. So I'm going to click and drag my pumpkin and put it over top of the tens place value. You can continue on, and then when you are finished, make sure you turn it in to your Google Classroom so your teacher can grade it. If you need help, please ask a friend.